This is a logo design process from start to finish. So please watch the video till the end to see the final output. This client brief is taken from ChatGPT, which is very useful for every logo designer to practice. With the help of description, we create mind mapping as shown on the screen with some important points. Now let's move on to research. I usually research on Google and Pinterest. I normally do research to avoid any duplicates of logo design. After researching, we will sketch using letter L, connecting nodes or any smooth curves. Sketching always makes your logo better and better as it gives much more ideas. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Whatever we get ideas, we can sketch on the paper so that we will be happy with the final product. Now I got my sketch logo and I know what type of logo I should create. So let's move on to the Adobe Illustrator. With the help of pen tool, let's create such a node. Increase the stroke width. Change the stroke curve. Select an ellipse tool and holding shift drag the tool to create a perfect ellipse. Place the circle as shown on the screen. Select both. Select circle or both. Take a scissor tool and click to create a node. Now delete the nodes which we doesn't need. Now click the stroke. Change the stroke cap to round. Stroke width. Place it as shown on the screen. Select everything, go to object and expand appearance. Select everything and unite them in the Pathfinder tool. Now again take a ellipse tool, holding shift drag the tool. Increase the stroke width to 50. Again take the scissor tool and repeat the steps as shown before. Now select both and drag aside to delete the unwanted circle. Now select the stroke and change it to rounded cap. So I was thinking the same logo design as on the screen. Now change the appearance or expand the appearance. Now with the help of type tool, type the logo name. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for more such videos. I have started a logo design series also, you can watch them too. Comment me in the comment box if you have any query or feedback or suggestion about my logo. I am using your Lato font. Stay tuned because moving forward we will see how to create a mock-up for this logo. Now this logo is created. So to create a mock-up, let's go on to Photoshop. I have taken this mock-up file from Freepik. Double click on the smart object. Then copy this monogram and paste it here as a smart object. delete the other text, save the file, and you will get the mockup. You can use this mockup directly, or you can save this on your laptop or mobile, and then you can place it on the Adobe Illustrator file. See you in the next video with some more interesting logo design from start to finish. Thank you for watching.